Land snails are fascinating creatures that can be found in many parts of the world, including forests, fields and gardens. They are a type of gastropod, which means stomach-footed in Greek, referring to their method of locomotion. One of their most unique features of land snails is their shells. These shells serve as a protective home for the snails. Some snails have shells that are smooth and shiny, while others have shells that are rough, textured with patterns. Land snails are also known for their slow-moving nature, which has led to the phrase "moving at a snail's pace." They typically move by extending a muscular foot and gliding along a slant trail they produce. This slant trail helps to reduce friction and prevents the snail from drying out. In terms of diet, land snails are herbivorous and feed mainly on a variety of plant materials. They use a radula, which is a ribbon-like structure with tiny teeth, to scrape and grind their food. Some species of snails are known to be picky eaters, while others will eat almost anything they can find. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning that they have both male and female reproductive organs. However, they still need a partner to mate and produce offspring. In mating, both snails will exchange sperm, and then each will lay eggs in separate locations. The eggs will hatch into small transparent snails called hatchlings. One interesting fact about land snails is that some species are capable of hibernating. During periods of cold and dry weather, they will retreat into their shells and seal themselves with a thin layer of mucus. This protective layer helps to prevent dehydration and to protect the snail from predators. Land snails are also important members of many ecosystems. They play a role in nutrient cycling by breaking down plant material and returning nutrients to the soil. They also serve as a food source for many predators, including birds, mammals and other invertebrates. Unfortunately, land snails are also facing many threats: habitat loss, pollution and overcollection of all major threats to snail population. In some parts of the world, snails are collected for food or as pets. Additionally, some non-native snail species have been introduced to new areas where they can outcompete and displace native snail species. In conclusion, land snails may not be the most glamorous creatures, but they are definitely worth learning about. Their unique shells, slow-moving nature and important ecological roles make them an important part of many ecosystems. However, it is important to also recognize the threats they face and work to protect them from their habitats.